All right, I'm not gonna lie, a little nervous. Hello and welcome back to Project Wraith. Today, we're gonna take a look at some of the cool features that I wanna add to the vehicle. We're gonna start with a 4-pod roof-mounted light system. Then I'm gonna add a rear spoiler. I keep wanting to upgrade this for what? You're right, to conquer the daily commute. And I think a roof pod really makes this vehicle stand out. So I'm gonna get it on the truck. We're gonna have a look at it. Then we're gonna move to the spoiler. And then I want to decide, a lot of people are saying put roof rack on. I don't know if we should. So let's get these two things on. Then we're gonna have a look at it and then we'll decide, should we put a roof rack on? Maybe the one from Badass? I don't know. I gotta see it in my head. I think it's gonna be enough. All right, stop yammering. Let's get these lights on. Installing the 4-pod roof light is easier than you might think. First, make sure to clean, and double clean both the roof and the light pod. Once everything is spotless, apply the very high bond double-sided tape. Then grab your tallest friend to help you center it perfectly on the roof. Wire up the lights, put the cover on, and that job is done. I love the way that those lights transform the face of this vehicle, gives it a more aggressive look, and that's what we're going for. Didn't want to listen. Aha. All right, much better. I've got some better plans for controlling it than the normal little wireless controller. I think we want to use the Garmin with the Apple CarPlay, but we're going to save that for a different day. Now I'm looking at this car and it's uneven. It needs a spoiler. So I'm gonna get a spoiler on next. The rear spoiler installation process is almost identical to the 4-pod. Clean, clean again, double clean, and then apply the 2-sided very high bond double-sided tape. Align the spoiler to the roof, press in place, and this job is also done. I really do like the look of the spoiler on the back of the Defender, and I can hear you yelling at me. I agree. It probably does make it slower at speeds I will never ever go. So I'd rather have it look really good. On that note, it's time to get this car washed, and I gotta face the music and see if I did a good enough install job with my tape and my cleaning to take this out in 17-degree weather to a hot car wash. Hop in, let's go. All right, let's see how this goes. Got the sunroof I can look through. No big deal, everybody likes the bubble section. Here comes the little stupid cleaner mabobs. That's a technical name if you ever wondered what those are called, cleaner mabobs. All right, here comes the wind tunnel. Not gonna lie, a little nervous. Can't tell, but I'm sure the spoiler's still there. Here comes the wind. It's a bit of noise. And the final push. We got this, not a problem. All right, outside the car wash, no issues with the light pod. Everything stayed intact. Let's go have a look at the rear spoiler, see if that managed to survive the wind tunnel. No issues there. All right, what did we learn today? Not much, but that tape is seriously good as long as you clean. And obviously, if it's cold like our temperatures, use a heat gun, make sure it bonds correctly. Next up is what should we do next? If this was your Defender, what parts would you put on? All right, see you guys in the next one.